Welcome back to the channel, and thank you for joining us for another extraordinary home tour. Today, we're stepping into a place where architecture and nature exist in perfect harmony. Hidden deep within a lush riverside jungle, this breathtaking modern tropical home invites us to slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with the rhythm of the natural world. Imagine waking each morning to the gentle sound of flowing water, filtered sunlight lancing through tall palms, and the warm scent of wood carried on a tropical breeze. This house is not just a structure, it's an experience. Designed with a thoughtful balance of natural materials, open spaces, and contemporary elegance, the home embraces its surroundings while offering every comfort of modern luxury. Throughout this tour, we'll explore how wood and glass are used to dissolve the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. We'll walk through expansive living spaces that frame the jungle like living artwork. Discover a spa-inspired bathroom designed for ultimate relaxation, and step out to an infinity pool that appears to merge seamlessly with the flowing river beyond. So take a moment to settle in, relax, and imagine yourself here. Let's begin our journey through this remarkable riverside tropical retreat. As we approach the property, the first thing that becomes apparent is how seamlessly the home blends into its jungle setting. Rather than dominating the landscape, the architecture feels as though it has gently emerged from it. The structure is defined by clean, modern lines, softened by the warmth of natural wood and the transparency of expansive glass walls. The roof lines extend outward in wide horizontal planes, creating generous overhangs that provide shade from the tropical sun while protecting the home from seasonal rain. These overhangs also create beautiful shadow lines across the facade, giving the architecture a sense of depth and rhythm throughout the day as the sun moves across the sky. The exterior palette is intentionally simple yet incredibly rich in texture. Vertical wooden slats wrap portions of the structure, allowing filtered light to pass through while maintaining privacy. The wood has been treated to weather gracefully, slowly, developing a soft patina that will only deepen the home's connection to its surroundings over time. Between these wooden elements, large panels of floor-to-ceiling glass reflect the surrounding greenery. In the early morning and late afternoon, the glass captures the changing colors of the jungle canopy, transforming the house into a living mirror of its environment. The home sits slightly elevated above the riverbank, an intentional design decision that both protects it from seasonal water levels and creates the sensation of floating among the treetops. From certain angles, the structure almost disappears into the landscape, with only the warm glow of interior lighting revealing its presence as evening approaches. Walking closer along the entry path, we begin to notice the incredible landscaping that frames the home. Instead of manicured lawns, the designers chose to preserve the natural character of the jungle, enhancing it with carefully curated tropical plantings. Tall bamboo clusters sway gently in the breeze, their slender stalks producing a soft rustling sound that becomes part of the home's natural soundtrack. Ferns blanket the ground beneath towering palms, creating layers of lush greenery that feel both wild and intentional. The pathway leading to the entrance is composed of large floating stone slabs, spaced just enough to encourage a slow, mindful pace. Between each stone, small patches of moss and ground cover plants thrive in the filtered sunlight. As we walk along this path, the river gradually becomes visible through the trees. Its steady flow creates a soothing background rhythm, blending perfectly with the sounds of birds and distant insects. Low landscape lighting is discreetly embedded along the pathway, ensuring that after sunset the garden transforms into a softly illuminated sanctuary. Rather than bright fixtures, warm pools of light gently highlight tree trunks and foliage, compete with nature, it simply guides it. The result is a front yard that feels less like a traditional garden and more like an extension of the surrounding rainforest. Eventually, the path leads us to the entrance pavilion, a transitional space that sets the tone for the entire home. The entrance area is both welcoming and dramatic. A large wooden canopy extends outward, supported by slender steel columns that almost disappear against the backdrop of greenery. This covered space creates a moment of pause before entering the home. To one side, a minimalist driveway leads to a discreetly integrated garage. Rather than dominating the path, the garage is partially hidden behind a screen of vertical wooden louvers. These slats allow airflow while concealing the vehicles within, maintaining the home's clean architectural lines. The garage itself is spacious enough for 2 vehicles and includes additional storage for outdoor equipment, bicycles, and river gear. The floor is finished with polished concrete, durable yet elegant, reflecting the same understated luxury found throughout the house. Returning to the main entrance, we approach an oversized pivot door carved from solid teak. The door's surface reveals the natural grain of the wood, each line telling a story of growth and time. As the door slowly opens, we are greeted by a rush of cool air and a view that immediately captures the essence of this home. Directly ahead, the living room unfolds in a wide open space framed entirely by glass. Beyond it, the infinity pool glimmers in the sunlight, and further still, the river flows quietly through the jungle. This first view perfectly captures the design philosophy of the house architecture that frames nature rather than competing with it. Stepping into the living room, the sense of openness becomes even more powerful. The ceiling rises high above, supported by exposed wooden beams that stretch across the space like the branches of a great tree. Natural light pours through the floor-to-ceiling windows, illuminating the warm tones of the wooden flooring beneath our feet. The boards run lengthwise toward the river, subtly guiding the eye outward to the landscape beyond. The furniture arrangement is intentionally minimal, allowing the surrounding scenery to remain the true focal point. A large, low-profile sectional sofa sits at the center of the room, upholstered in soft, neutral fabrics that echo the colors of sand and stone. Nearby, a pair of sculptural lounge chairs face the river, creating a quiet corner for reading or morning coffee. Between them, a small table carved from a single piece of reclaimed wood adds an organic touch. The coffee table in front of the sofa is made of polished river stone, its smooth surface reflecting the soft daylight that fills the room. Above, ceiling fans with wooden blades rotate slowly, circulating the natural breeze that flows effortlessly through the house. Thanks to its cross-ventilation design, one of the most remarkable aspects of this living room is the way the glass walls slide completely open. When retracted, the boundary between interior and exterior disappears, allowing the living room to extend directly onto the outdoor terrace. The sounds of the jungle drift freely into the space, birds calling, leaves rustling, the gentle movement of water downstream. It's the kind of living room that invites you to linger for hours, whether hosting friends, enjoying quiet reflection, or simply watching the ever-changing light across the river. From here, the home flows naturally into the kitchen. The kitchen continues the theme of warmth and simplicity, combining modern functionality with the rich textures of natural materials. A large central island anchors the space, its base clad in vertically grained wood that echoes the exterior guard. The countertop is carved from a smooth slab of light stone, cool to the touch, and subtly veined. Above the island, 3 pendant lights hang from thin cords, their woven shape casting delicate patterns of light across the surface below. The cabinetry is sleek and handleless, finished in warm wood tones that blend seamlessly with the surrounding architecture. Integrated appliances maintain the kitchen's clean, uncluttered appearance. A long horizontal window runs along the backsplash, framing a slice of the jungle outside. As you prepare meals, the greenery becomes a constant companion. Cooking here feels less like a chore and more like a ritual connected to nature. Just beside the kitchen, the dining area awaits. The dining space is both intimate and dramatic. At its center stands a long wooden table, carved from a single slab of locally sourced timber. The natural edges of the wood have been preserved, celebrating its organic form. Comfortable dining chairs upholstered in soft linen surround the table, inviting guests to linger long after the meal has finished. Above the table hangs a statement-like fixture made of woven rattan, its intricate texture casting warm shadows across the room in the evening. Behind the dining area, a glass wall opens to views of the riverbank. During dinner, the setting sun paints the water in shades of gold and amber, creating a dining experience that feels almost cinematic. Sliding doors connect the dining area directly to the outdoor terrace, making it easy to transition from indoor meals to alfresco gatherings beside the pool. Now, let's continue our tour toward the private areas of the home, beginning with the master bedroom. The master suite is positioned to capture the most tranquil views of the river and surrounding jungle. As we enter the room, the atmosphere immediately shifts into something softer, more serene. The bed is positioned to face a panoramic wall of glass, ensuring that the first thing you see each morning is the gentle movement of the river beyond the trees. The bed frame itself is carved from solid wood, low and minimal, allowing the natural surroundings to remain the visual centerpiece. Soft linen bedding in muted tones creates a calming palette, while layered textiles add warmth and comfort. On either side of the bed, floating nightstands hold simple ceramic lamps that cast a warm, diffuse glow in the evening. A private seating area sits near the windows, consisting of a pair of lounge chairs and a small round table perfect for quiet conversations or a peaceful moment with a book. The ceiling above features exposed wooden beams that mirror those in the living room, maintaining a cohesive architectural language throughout the home. Large sliding glass doors open onto a private terrace, where the sounds of the river and jungle feel even closer. From here, we move into one of the most luxurious spaces in the house, the spa-inspired master bathroom. This bathroom is designed to feel like a personal wellness retreat. The moment we enter, the scent of natural wood and stone fills the air. A freestanding soaking tub sits near a floor-to-ceiling window, perfectly positioned to overlook a secluded pocket of jungle greenery. As you relax in the tub, you can watch leaves sway gently in the breeze. The tub itself is sculptural and elegant, carved from smooth stone that retains warmth beautifully. Behind it, a textured stone wall adds depth and grounding to the space. The walk-in shower is expansive, enclosed with frameless glass panels that maintain the bathroom's open feel. A rainfall showerhead above mimics the sensation of standing beneath a gentle tropical rain. Natural river stones line the shower floor, providing both texture and a simple connection to the nearby waterway. Dual vanities carved from wood and stone offer generous space, their mirrors reflecting soft natural light that filters in throughout the day. The entire space feels calm, grounding, and restorative, a place where daily routines transform into moments of relaxation. Stepping back outside, we arrive at the backyard terrace and pool area, where the design reaches its most breathtaking expression. The infinity pool stretches along the edge of the property, its water appearing to merge seamlessly with the river below. From the terrace, it almost feels as though the pool flows directly into the jungle. The pool deck is constructed from warm wooden planks that remain comfortable underfoot even in the midday sun. Lounge chairs are arranged along the edge, each positioned to capture This space becomes the perfect setting for sunset gatherings, evening cocktails, or simply listening to the sounds of nature as daylight slowly fades. As darkness falls, subtle underwater lighting transforms the pool into a glowing ribbon of blue, reflecting the stars above. Living in a home like this is about more than beautiful design, it's about a way of life. Days might begin with a quiet swim as mist rises from the river. Breakfast could be enjoyed on the terrace while birds move through the trees overhead. Afternoons invite moments of stillness, reading in the living room, relaxing in the spa bath, or drifting peacefully in the pool. Evenings become magical as the jungle comes alive with nighttime sounds, and warm lights glow softly throughout the house. This home encourages a slower pace, a deeper connection to nature, and a greater appreciation for the simple rhythms of life. And as our tour comes to a close, we're reminded that true luxury is not just about materials or square footage, it's about how a space makes you feel. This modern tropical retreat offers tranquility, beauty, and a rare sense of harmony between architecture and the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the most serene homes we've ever explored. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which part of the house was your favorite. Until next time, take care, stay inspired.